Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I am going to unbox this computer screen cleaner kit, and this is for my mobile screen to clean, and I also use for this laptop and for the TV also. This is the package what I received yesterday on the Flipkart, and this is the product what I have ordered on Flipkart. Yeah, let us unbox this and check how is the cleaning, overall cleaning, and what are the contents provided on this box. And remember, this I purchased for 143 rupees. As you see, this is not 77, and this is the pack of two. I got it for like 143 rupees. Yeah, let us open this. When I open the package, there is inner package here which is also packed. I need to just take this out. Yeah, see here, two gel bottles, cleaning gel bottles. Yeah, clean and shine gel. One is of pink color, another one is blue color, and there is one very thin cloth provided. And the main reason for me purchasing this is this is the Motorola mobile. Recently I purchased Moto Edge 50, not the Fusion, Moto Edge 50. The problem here is I didn't apply UV temper glass or matte finish screen guard or something like that. So when I'm using this, there is no light now. I'll be putting on my light and I'll show you. There are some fingerprint marks attracting on the screen. So just for the cleaning purpose I ordered this, and just for a moment what I'll do is I'll switch on the light and I'll show you. Maybe I will apply some liquid here and I'll be cleaning this, because this is 1.5K display, a very good display from the Moto. So I want to make it a good maintenance. That's the reason I purchased this, so that I can use the cleaning for this one. See here, there is a lot of dust here on my keypad, and the TV also I need to clean the screen, but very carefully we should clean the TV screen because that is very sensitive. Let us check this. Yeah, this is the torch I purchased for 140 rupees, I guess. See, when there is light you can observe the screen. On the screen lot of dust and lot of fingerprints. If you can see, I just made the light here. This is the rechargeable torch. If possible, I'll be keeping this in the view products list. Okay, you can check. I'll also keeping this in the view products. Yeah, if you can observe. So what we'll do is we'll try to open this gel and we'll apply on the few. I'll just spray on this one and I'll try to clean. Okay. Before just applying this liquid, what I did is with this cloth only I just made a smooth cleaning initially. This is very silky sort of thing. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll be opening this and I'll be spraying it over here and I'll try to clean. Yeah, see here, I just sprayed something and this liquid is of slightly gelish, not fully, and I applied it on this cleaning cloth also. Yeah, if you can see here, don't apply too much, as just for you to showing on this video tutorial I applied this much, but this much is not needed. Okay, not at all needed. Yeah, I'm just done with the cleaning. So what I'll do is I'll be just locking the screen once. Now see here, if you can see, there are no fingerprints now. I'll be taking this out. Yeah, I'll be placing this over. If you can observe, please do comment. Yeah, the cleaning was good. The cleaning was good. Even though if I take it to sun, outside sun, I'll also check that. Right now there are no fingerprints. You can observe the change between before cleaning and after cleaning. Yeah. Yeah. I just changed the wallpaper here, and please do comment how is the wallpaper also. Yeah, and this what is this customized widget for the clock I applied here. If you want those tutorials, you can find them in the description. Yeah, so this is Derek's cleans your smart homes. Okay, clean and shine gel for the gadgets, mobile, laptops, or the LED and LCD screens. That is what they mentioned here. cleaning kit 100 ml for LED LCD TVs. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.